Assalamualaikum dear students. Our next topic is practical applications of electrostatics. And another thing I want to tell you that from now onwards we'll continue our lectures in both English and Urdu. Okay, so that every student can get the hang of all these concepts, right? So there are two basic and most important applications of electrostatics, which are used in basically industries and all that. So industrial uses of electrostatic, आप इसे ये भी कह सकते हैं. So basically हमारे पास दो uses हैं electrostatics के. Actually बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, but आपकी book में दो ही given हैं. So the first one is electrostatic precipitator and dust attraction. So what is precipitation? आपने chemistry में पढ़ा होगा that the extraction of particles from a solution is called precipitation, and precipitator is the device which is used to extract the particles from a solution. Right? So in this case, suppose a chimney, an industrial chimney, which is used in you can say coal power plant, or the industry of the which makes the bricks and all that. Okay, so the industrial chimney uses electrostatic precipitator to extract the particles from the dust, so that the air or the smoke released from this chimney is not actually polluted with particles, with dust particles. Okay, so to extract the dust from the smoke, let's say here we have loads of smoke over here, and it has dust particles, so much dust particles suspended in that smoke. Okay, so इन dust particles को extract करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? हम यहाँ पर electrostatics यूज़ कर सकते हैं इन dust particles को smoke से to just remove them from the smoke. Alright, so how would we do that? For this purpose we are going to use a wire mesh, और जिसे हम कह सकते हैं एक जाली, एक बहुत ही fine जाली. You can say this is the kind of wire mesh that we are going to use, and this is very fine mesh. Okay, so that the dust particles can actually trap in this mesh and get electrically charged. So in this case क्या होता है हमारे पास कि in this case the wire mesh is charged with positive charge. Okay, so जब भी ये charge particles इस wire mesh में से pass होंगे, तो क्या होगा, इन पर positive charge आ जाएगा. Each of the charged particles which will pass through these mesh, and after rubbing with this wire mesh, it will get positively charged. Alright, so after passing through these wire mesh, or you can say, you can call this a grid, a positive grid. Okay, after passing through this grid, it will get positively charged, and the smoke right now, right here, the smoke will be charged positively. Okay, after that, after passing through this mesh, they will encounter some negatively charged plates. Okay, इनके आगे हम लोग negatively charged plates install कर देते हैं in that chimney. So क्या होगा, यहाँ पर हमारे पास positive particles हैं, आगे हमारे पास negative plates हैं. The positive particles will be attracted towards the negative plates. All these particles, after passing through the grid, will be attracted towards the plates. Okay, so that इस पूरे चिमनी में से, इन प्लेट्स में से पास होने के बाद जो स्मोक होगी, that will be filtered out and that will be free of the dust particles. It will be smoke but free from dust particles. So in that way industrial pollution can be just, हम इसे कम कर सकते हैं, हम इसे dust proof बना सकते हैं. That is why it's used in industrial purposes. Second practical application is the electro painting, that is more basically used in, you can say, car industries, to paint the cars. Okay, in this case we simply have a gun which uses air pressure to just spray the paint over the body But in this, it's not just a simple paint gun. It is connected to the reservoir, and the reservoir is given the negative charge. reservoir एक हम एक गैलन ले सकते हैं पेंट का, या पेंट का कोई भी कंटेनर जिसे हम नेगेटिवली चार्ज करेंगे किसी भी प्रोसेस के जरिए। जब हम किसी पाइप के थ्रू या किसी सप्लाई के थ्रू ये पेंट गन को प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो क्या करेगी गन थ्रू द नोजल कार पर स्प्रे करेगी। राइट, सो हमने कार का केस लिया है, आप कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट ले सकते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल यूज़ में। नाउ क्या करेंगे हम कार को एक ऐसे लिक्विड में डिप करते हैं जो कि पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होता है, यानी बेसिकली हम कार को पॉजिटिवली चार्ज करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर चार्जिंग इट पॉजिटिवली वी स्प्रे इट विद दिस स्प्रे गन, राइट, और इलेक्ट्रिक spray gun, right? This use electrostatics to spray the paint on the car. अब क्या होगा, इस नोजल में से पास आउट होने के बाद you can see this green spray has a negative charge. Okay, all the particles in the spray has a negative charge, so they will repel each other. First of all, they will repel each other so that we won't have actual lumps in the paint, and we will have you can say an even amount of paint throughout the body. So these negative particles will get attracted to this positively charged car. जब ये positive charged car के around attract होंगे, so क्या होगा, the car will get an even paint, right, evenly paint. So हमारे पास जो भी पेंट है सब evenly कार पर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, एंड another actual you can say हमारे पास एक फ़ायदा ये भी होगा कि सारा का सारा पेंट कार पर अट्रैक्ट होगा. No paint will be actually wasted on the floor or on the surroundings. कोई भी हवा में जस्ट नहीं होगा, कोई भी surroundings पे फ्लोर पे नहीं लगेगा, कहीं और नहीं जाएगा, but all the paint will get attracted to the car and it will be just sprayed upon the car and no one else. In this way हम लोग paint भी बचाएंगे. Okay, so evenly distribution होगी पेंट की, so टाइम हमारा बचेगा, एंड इन दिस वे हमारा टाइम, पेंट, एंड absolutely on industrial level we will save much of the cost. Okay, in conventional painting more of the paint was like wasted away on floor and on the surrounding, and it was just busted out in the air. But in this case, we will have paint that will be evenly distributed on the desired object and won't get wasted on anything else. Right? So these were two simple practical applications of the electrostatics. Good day, everyone.